Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create Rednote account. So if you want to create a Rednote account on your phone, you first need to download and install the Rednote application just like this. So you can go to your App Store or Play Store to get and download the Rednote application on your phone. Once downloaded, then go ahead and click on the Rednote app icon. Then choose spot that says important notice. You need to agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. So click on agree. Once you hit agree, Rednote would like to send you notifications. If you want to proceed, click on allow. And here you need to set your date of birth. So that's the first thing you need to do. So just scroll down and select your birth date. Then just select it. After that as well, go ahead and select the month. Then once you've selected your birth date, go ahead and click on next. Now you'll be taken to this page that says login to explore more, login, other login methods. So in this case, for iPhone users, just go ahead and click on other login methods. Then select Apple ID here. Then you should say sign in with Apple. So if you want to sign in with your Apple info, create an account for Rednote using Apple account, just go ahead and click on continue. Then confirm your Face ID. Once your Face ID is confirmed, then you need to hang on a couple of seconds. Then you should see your Rednote account created. Here you need to choose a topic. So select the topic you are interested in. Then click on confirm, or you can even skip at the top right. And then there you go. Now once you click on me at the bottom right, then you should see your Rednote account. You see that? So that's exactly how to create a Rednote account. So in most cases, if you're using iPhone, the fastest approach to get your Rednote account is to sign in with your Apple ID account or use a phone number. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.